Hi everyone, Ken Sharif here with a look at what's coming up this week in terms of economic data and earnings reports. After a busy week of housing data last week that saw May housing starts and existing home sales come in mostly in line with expectations, investors will get a look at new home sales data on Monday. In April, sales rose to 343,000 units from 332,000 in March. On Tuesday, watch for the latest reading on consumer confidence from the Conference Board. In May, confidence fell for the third straight month to 64.9 from a downwardly revised 68.7 in April. On Thursday, the latest reading on weekly jobless claims will be out. Last week, claims came in at 387,000, a bit more than expected. Claims from the prior week were revised higher to 389,000 from 386,000. Also on Thursday, the final estimate to first quarter gross domestic product will be closely watched. The second estimate showed growth of 1.9%. Last week, the Fed lowered its 2012 U.S. economic growth outlook to a range of 1.9% to 2.4%, down from an earlier estimate of 2.4% to 2.9% growth. Meanwhile, it's a quiet week of earnings as firms get ready to close their books on the second quarter. On Wednesday, watch for earnings from one of the better performing home builders out there, Lennar. It's been consolidating gains since early May and still has more work to do to complete its base, but another solid quarter of growth is expected. Analysts are looking for a profit of 17 cents a share, up 143% from a year ago, with sales up 16% to $885.7 million. Group peer KB Home reports later in the week on Friday. On Thursday, discount retailer Family Dollar Stores is expected to earn $1.07 a share, up 18% from a year ago, with sales up 10% to $2.4 billion. Note that institutional selling pressure is starting to build in the stock, worth noting after a big price run in recent months. Finally, expectations are low ahead of Research in Motion's earnings report on Thursday. Quarterly profit at the BlackBerry maker is expected to fall 99% from a year ago to a penny a share. Sales are seen falling 36% to $31.5 billion as competition from Apple and Google continues to take its toll. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back here 1 week from today with another look at the week ahead.
This market is fueled
Stock
by
pickers market.
stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to